President John Mahama by and somebody on social media. Now people were fighting government. I say Adie way. Kwabrane no year 2020 no. One faka prekra Anton Wejan Hako. John Mahama by Wajiatum so by I think one of the address CDS can say they are in constant engagement with the finance minister to provide money, and indeed that money had been made available. January, the president can say finance minister make 1 billion Ghana cedis available, and that money has been made available. And then the NS27 and the first payment about hit on my account and 27 February and the Friday.
Soldiers now
one retire 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 on package no. They are now going to use CI 129 calculation model no. Now we are almost salary no, and I say sikana si more gratuity no. Because in the previous one.
That's right.
And again, it's also allow them say we are human now. 5 years extra. It's an optional. In fact, our retirement age. If you want to stay for extra 5 years, you can stay. You can go. And I think that for that kind of flexibility, also that's institutional memory. Nipana retire and what they want honor. I don't know the reason why Akufo Addo brought that particular item, but that is what has been brought on us. Or say actually no Jan Hokoe, but then Doóm Mahama is a fixer. Oba no wa fix it. I'm making sure say soldier for no mubu for na man for TikTok to no dinner time. Obi a problem on the creative here. I created 5 years ago. Within 1 year, he has been able to fix these things. That is what I'm saying, sir. You may not like the president, you may not like his party, but the fact of the matter is that John Mahama is somebody who has proven, say, the commitment to Ghana no, very high, and whatever that is required of him to do as president, he is willing to do things. Will give you details of the state of the economy and the cost of Ghana. You know, I'm sure, sir.
Okay.
Kevin Taylor by say what do mama Ghana for who be agina maybe a yako and what is in play for the people of this country, because my culture say modern governance no adibia and yakoko masem and into the framers of the 1992 constitution, you know, and make provision and my president who quine say afibia no obeba parliament na wabe briefy Ghana for amamu na edisha nsa no sign and near city okwa America last week Donald Trump kwaye ne de omo no from the State of the Union.
Okay.
Yes, because America different states and are forming union to form the federation, and each of them is independent, so the president need to address the union enti ono so beba ababeka whatever that is happening within or minimum as a federal state into various union representative our more Congress. Sana Ghana so the president is supposed to appear before your representative into kwa Domadi or Techimai or Brekum or Drobo or Sunwai or Tema West Babia de or Okwatina Wenim, then Nemana Waye, the Obeye prospective, and also Jinasa and yet, the wire kwa the war a quime obey, the asipen, baby, are not mind the decisions in Nema Ebeko and what the expectations of Ghanaians should be. So, answer never sometimes, you know, you do consultation, you engage. Utia man for Kamamo and Yabako for dear. So you do a broader consultation. Yes, now what yet a man for, so a man for expectation as if we know weaving, you know, into your document policy statement be presented be for that kind of hope. A man for Nema man for Bimuna about Nema be a coso. And in this year, the typical example can the cocoa sector crisis. And I think that the president offer clarity to a lot of the issues in the so I think that Hopeson said the Ghana city as a now we investor now the most comprehensive assessment document Obenya to review Ghana baby Gina, because the figures there we know you cannot lie. These are factual realities representing whatever that is happening in the various sectors, and I think that is what the president has presented, and for me it's heartwarming because Alaska so we had baby meka Mahama is not a magician. I will take you over on mine. All of a sudden, everything will turn, Ghana will turn into California. It's not possible.
That's right.
It will take decades to take time. But Adeba Kwa, Ebesha Unkranye, the foundation na Nipano no, and never mind that Ahmkaka. And this I will have a be an Ghana 2023, 2024, na ya Babedu 2025, 2026, and then all the rating agencies are among Ghana for. Almost a one team baby. And no more head ye cost for Ghana. Now omunyina all the triple your friend saying agencies in Nina, but Tanaka said Dabi, your head ye cost we need to upgrade you. And Tansi so Benya Moody's Fitch and S&P at the same time omunyina upgrade this economy no co and my reading fee the same entity and anwan on catcher say more your junk yentibin kobobosia. Don't forget the same economy. And I'm more lucky out of the commercial space. And I yin to me kobobosia. Yes, our mind we yana no na ye to nkrama China ye to nkrama German ambassador say onko China nko sere omo say omo fa ye kancha yin. This same on mine and I ye default ye both on external debt obligation and internal debt obligation. Internal no the intensi say aban bebobosia free amamfo ho banks or through bond na say for amamfo atototo on mine no in local currency denomination na aban say my default to mean anti momfa nkwa animu in the name of DDEP. It was very embarrassing. So Alaska and Mahama in less than 1 year at me address the many challenges I'm not confronting here. Me say we are not out of the woods yet, but for the first time, a car ye bogu ho, and that your external debt obligation was shall see oba wotua bi a ogusu a otua. And the funny aspect is I cannot cry a bit nuru ho no akwakutua.
That's right.
Internal debt obligation, DDEP for ye, or bia, or ye bia, first tranche has been paid, the second tranche has been paid. In the next coming way, no, they will get another payment. So Ninina can abba not because he can be a baby, because of discipline. He has decided not to be wasteful, but rather no or be limited in terms of spending. Na sikaka krana our hono what channel 2 priorities are very, very, very important because what the Ghana Nika Alaska won't even catch them say here. Pensioner or the sika investment. Now by catching the say your friends saying untiano. It's not something that anyans as some can be a better be awesome. So I think that I near my way, you know, and I near my what me genus will lay a very solid foundation of my economy. No, I enjoy this kind of stability. I never over the years, not put pressure on us. I had the currency fluctuations in terms of dollar, CD, we've been saying shaky way na you know, you cannot predict. And for the first time in so many years, CD no. Atimi azumi a certain growth pace be a moya den I import and export. So we import what they are and as I will import what they are, there is that stability. So in terms of pricing, and you're Ghana for na said ye pa bone for na your friends am faso boom na ye pa and can never bo naturally a set form for the first time in so many years. Bloomberg a catcher and say your Ghana city no atimi end of year no. I posted 47% appreciation. Alaska Sanema went to entire CEO.
Bloomberg.
Yes, it's
whole Bloomberg.
Yes, in about 30 years time history. And Ghana, within this short because projection of Moye Yenina Egeji City Neighbor and 15.5. Sanema, we don't hear opposition talking about it. Your debt to your GDP. At some point in time, World Bank was warning us. Your debt to your GDP could do somewhere around 104%. Percentage in a young crown or primary school as a percentage in Udru 100. I know, but where the Chamu Alaska. And now I say your debt to your GDP is around 45%. And then President Mahama say this is your friend said the sharpest form of your friends depreciation in terms of debt in the history of this country. Because I've been see that so debt to GDP, assuming they said it was around 66, within a short period, about downslide to 45. It means your debt, you know, in terms of city now you're managing alone, no, I take you away over 100 billion Ghana cedis from our debt portfolio. It is because the majority, simple explanation here, majority of your debt component, not a external debt, are a price in dollars. You need to change cedis to get dollar to go and pay. So once I will see or currency you need to exchange less cedis for dollar to go and pay. So naturally, there will be a depreciation.
Okay.
Una TP.
Yes, Ejachi. Young father say, Kaya de dodo na amanone. Na amanone no so na wo se wunya amanone sika ti say dollar no na udi kotua.
Yeah.
I say yen Ghana cedi no enya hoodin ti no. Say wo per dollar e wo yen Ghana cedi because first never say a cedi 17 cedis.
Yes.
To $1.
Yes.
Iti anei say wo person $600. I say cedi nenya hoodin ti no. One cedi no enya 17 baby. Ebia ababeye 10
cedis.
That's why it is say no. Unya dollar ne kakra bi
to go and service.
Now the best service the mass cedi na hoodin ti na ma ba $10 no so e di car ye de no. Instead like ye be cedi bebre ase na ebenya dollar no cedi kakra bi na de enya dollar.
Yes.
E get you say what
them here. And say so sa borrowing gidi and kwasi abosia bona na ye boni gigi e beto ho party na Alaska nyamkura sesema and Kwabena ne kobobosia o mind to say Ghana kobobosia na e beto ho party ye gi ani and mediocrity anyway ya wakobobosia na ba ye to ho party and Kwabena ne auto party to obi mine so also per citizenship our America. Sammy minim say yenyini mwie akope obi mine so citizenship.
There so we can say wakoto obi mine so on the fiase.
Yeah. So Alaska, that is the state ya wom. So men kase Ghana problem ya wom ya wie.
That's right.
Men kase Mahama bae okra magic wine that will solve all the problem. It is not possible. But so he baby was start here through first year. And the foundation na all lay na. A chro say looking into the future, no, Alaska, you have to be very hopeful. Say with time, he will be able to do his bit. I'll bet me lay a solid foundation. The new Ghana will take off. So for me, and I'm taking one of the major concerns has to do with youth unemployment. Is a threat to national security. My cultural Arab Spring, by because of youth unemployment. Because boys, their brain become a devil's workshop. You can do anything. People can exploit them. And I'm on for sorry free Ghana. And tokwa na men kan wona papa nka ho sikanti also call Russia kwa akoko omo so boni wo mutiminti no enya Russia nka minim se san ye de bosome ba ko tiri ni soja ni di tuition nsem so nkoko omo no that is a rogue state nti omunya wa they will use you enti ohia na adwendwe nti Ghana ni enso mpanimfo so okro won so amanfo recruit omo enoko Kenya. One of the guy at the center of this mercenary recruitment yache no because Nejuma Odia na say he was acting as a conduit of facilitating the your friend saying boys from Kenya to your friend saying Russia. Okwa na ye do kwasha camp 1 month in the tuition and you be that 1 month the train so jani or form hono the tuition so majority of Ghana form kwedido na ko wu yes because of desperation
according to Kuja Ghana 55
yes now they were counter for no they were counted for the 55 several and other African nations. It shows that youth unemployment bring desperation. So the government will have to do everything possible. So yes, no, we are see as jina mabunu so. Cause mind be able to power dependent on young people. Cause more the energy. More to build. Even when it comes to spending, Alaska wouldn't matter about economy grow. Spending no.
That's right. And that's always kind of we.
Now, Kokro no 70 years on Kotodine. Car monobound to be. Your friend saying iPhone monobound no anything. Nindru over ornamne adaka edbesi no no odwene. Oh, that's Alaska we need to do a debe na way. But as a young person, Afenyo also ube face life until we project menya dan we ya mesi menya car we ya meto menya we ya so you what there is a driving force. Yes, spending na economy new grow. But at that age, you only think about 60 years above. You have a man for your greedy. After 60 years, you plan your retirement. Yes, 60 years after you plan your retirement, how are Obertan China, Usika Kakrana when you're ready. But he has said, no, after 60 years from Bonnie, will move Team Chain, for Africa, you do 60 years. I feel on back, super greedy. I'm on Krano, couldn't be even including Grandma, you know.
That's right.
Now I find the same P.
My wabba crew, man, no question.
Alaska and Sanity, and you know, say, on my beer, Obama, the young people are active, you know. So, mine, and in America and other countries, not try as much as they can to recruit young people from this country. Because when you could do America, say, yeah, what gonna die home? What you know, say, build a family. What you say, so credit in us for you make sure, say, obey you want to say boo.
Okay.
And no pa or Ghana from one on any, Obikwa no pa, Obikwa no 24 hours, no, Obia Hamea tray. No, be what this is the years or no by side, man. So these are the resources I brought from by Yano Nipanama.
So American lottery.
Yes.
Yeah,
wow, who are then, sir?
More now, yeah.
I brought your life, we are crying out, I brought your opportunity, but we knew you and say, I am Kwasum.
Now, Ken Ofori Atta,
Alaska, and you know, I am looking at the future. Ghana will feel proud and live here because. If Sankanema Africa is the best place to live.
Oh, that's right. Then you're fresh.
Abroche life is credit oriented life. Man for a canon as a form, you cannot even sit home for 1 month. A kabe jaro no. Oba Ghana, what's that? Won't even be 2 months. So if you Alaska, and easy. So a life where you need to be active throughout. Omono I did about woman is a weird Juman Quandia on Sabaka Osika or Munsisi.
Okay.
Yes, but you need to Bruni no so by the Jumano, for instance, or call or momo. Your friend is saying, your friend says, shop now.
More.
No, more shop you want for warehouse
okay,
now.
Kwabrane,
box I can see a page from an opokusi, you run as for and ya the ketwa. And you know, they will make sure that you energy no they will drain and they will pay you. It makes sense. It's perfect. It's better than so bad
okay.
It's far better. Anything among for still people are going. People don't go to a Britain because a honor people go because of desperation. Now last year there doesn't count to now we have decent earnings. Now we can open so we can open so papa you can call friends, meet when them pay so when you see people traveling abroad and yes people among for the so I'm hoping say you bet me build it on my you bet me created that room for young people among so no but now you can also say near man I cosro person we see few person we say that credit spending and as for when you be na nyina beba e yuma sem and be na ba na yen sign equip the young people with the requisite skill set I'll bet to be a survival. The market say even your education model no we need to change it. Alaska maso be secondary school no ntimi fa den sanye bibi obi we secondary school be apart from the degree ne kura no the certificate ne kura no the person ne hand should be able to fix something.
Okay.
Either carpentry, anything at all. I didn't say so say how my have a wow.
And the Rollins, I did GSS by no.
That was the model. Technical way was infused.
Okay.
But then when I yes I did one. Nippon also acquire engineering. I acquire way our KNUST or no kind of casa ya or India. Just all the more because of fix man. So you see this kind of because you're making your mind say. So what don't say ya there? It's just a winima dia and as a winim there. Well, Alaska, most of the people no more nim dia kasiano. Unkono, omo flexing nema, nanim dia no faso ben also. Yam fan nim dia moko to nkotana office ko keka nkwase abrofo. Ye de nim dia ye adwuma. Endu engineering na wo first class na se for no. Car ben na wo de fixe. Adwuma ben na wo de consultancy ben na wo de ye. Wabotai obi unko national insurance company obi hawara we no just with misalignment misapplication and at the end of the day what you expect to achieve alamo minor to mpon onya na bedan krono bo asisie mentwa kwana na menye we yamfa kwan so claim no yanya obi ba obeda hospital knife yam back dating say wo ba ye 1 month ni enuro no de yamfa ma yam whole lot and obia the cut the way. So I think Alaska, the most important thing they say, your friends say you highlight it on youth unemployment.
Okay.
Now address it. Maybe who say young people will have access to job, and to do that, and my culture is this 24-hour economy is one of the best way to resolve some of these things. So I think we have to shift towards industrialization, because until we industrialize, but Alaska, without industries, people cannot work around the clock.
That's right.
Without having industries, people cannot work around the clock. So the whole agenda of 24-hour economy must gear towards industrialization. Because if you're able to set up tiles factory, then they don't send any tiles or chroma. And then there's a crack tiles from your friends saying Italy and other places. Can't we have such companies here? And then just imagine your tiles company where boys can go in the morning, work, or break your coffee, and or cook and I do be baba. These are worker. People can work around the clock. Let's say factory be a wire producing drinks and for a man for can work around the clock. What I say, and on the Sanya mana coming on stream. I have a side job shift in our bum, but other areas will have what they quite for instance teaching.
That's right.
It's a model we can maybe a bit more do, but say I'm not say you. Because I said banks run 24 hour. Bank and answer a bank be run 24 hour. No, there must be a market. So markets in require the banking sector to operate in the night. Again, it is the market and that will create the presence of security and send it to double police presence.
That's right.
Without these things, it become irrelevant. So I think President Mahama has shown indeed he's in charge. He's really willing to fix this particular country. So support be a Ghana for here some of the money be. I think that has to be given to him. Now on to me, Emfa Ghana and called destination what project is or the Ghana because Alaska, because the intent is very positive. This is somebody what prove it to be very passionate and where he's going on. And Raul who said and some a man for their bonity so or can one say our State of the Nation address has to do with Akufo Addo buying a sorry and or say soldier for kwanya omokufa so call retirement me maka ho asem majority of our retired soldiers unko no motete
discuss about
yes omo security for
gratuity right
na last obi a ye fan what this soldier be 30 years there unko na company fia bi not ya no so security ye tua na ka 500 Ghana
Kennedy Agyapong because we are soldier now so call retirement security now be
Alaska and I think say soldier for deserve respect. Okwa America, na say obi bank cry na man for the line no social uniform. Wonso obi a salute, thank you for your service. No obi a twe na hono obegina animu. Wonya hwe man no, but they respect it. What I say, ya ha no say that man for say ya name man nti. Say na nti na say respect ni hor, but I think say dodo na sacrifice o monti. Ode say model no by 2020 no. Sika wan fa sika ba kokra nka ho say be implement it. And now soldier for Nugu and now money because people were retiring. They were using the old system to do their retirement calculation. People were angry. And the John Mahama by and so about social media. Now people were fighting government. I say Adie way. Kwabrane no year 2020 no. One faka prekwa Anton Weja no hako. John Mahama by Wajiatum so by I think one of the address CDS can say they are in constant engagement with the finance minister to provide money, and indeed that money had been made available. January, the president can say finance minister make 1 billion Ghana cedis available, and that money has been made available. And then they do NS27. And the first payment about hit on more account and 27 February and the Friday.
Soldiers now
one retire 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 on package on Sankayano. They are now going to use CI 129 calculation model no. Now we are almost salary no, and I say Sikana see the more gratuity no. A because in the previous one.
That's right.
And again, it's also allowed them to we are human now, 5 years extra. It's an optional. In fact, our retirement age. If you want to stay for extra 5 years, you can stay. You can go. And I think that our that kind of flexibility, also that institutional memory. Nipana retire and what they want honor. I don't know the reason why Akufo Addo brought that particular item, but that is what has been brought on us. Or say actually no Jan Hokoe, but then Doóm Mahama is a fixer. Oba no wa fix it and make sure say soldier for no mubu for na man for TikTok to no dinner tem. Obi a problem you on the create here. I created 5 years ago. Within 1 year, he has been able to fix these things. That is what I'm saying, sir. You may not like the president, you may not like his party, but the fact of the matter is that Doóm Mahama is somebody who has proven, say, the commitment to Ghana no, very high, and whatever that is required of him to do as president, he is willing to do. So Alaska, I think, sir, the State of the Nation address in the Yentimi you and Nankwa and Davis, because it's a very big way. Yeah, so this is just an overview, and I think that in the overview, you know, it provided a very comprehensive understanding of all sectors, health sector.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.